Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mzansi have mixed emotions. Ngemva kokuthi babone President Cyril Ramaphosa lapha eMoria, and people are saying ukuthi hayibo unesikhathi sokuya eMoria, but ngalesikhathi sethi thina sifuna statement akhulume mayelana nalendzaba yaqweqwe. Lo mntwana lona 7 years walapha eMatatile lobekafundza lapha eBergview College labamdlwengula esikolweni akazange akhulume lutho. Abantu they were saying ukuthi they wanna hear president ekhuluma ngalendzaba, but he was so quiet. But abantu beva buhlungu kakhulu ukuthi letinye izinto yakhona kuphumelela kuya kudo, but izinto letibalulekile akatende. Some were even saying ukuthi hayibo kani cameras are allowed lapha eMoria. Guys, sonke esikhule sathi ukuthi eMoria mafoni awafuneki. Abantu abaningi nje bathukile ukuthi hayibo ma-picture kanjani uzuhamba netikhulu. And some people were even asking themselves ukuthi kani upresident uRamaphosa usonda laphana eMoria na, or Z rather usonda lapha eZ. So people are saying ukuthi upresident Cyril Ramaphosa nje he needs to step down because ayikho indzaba yakhe, akalweli malungelo ebandla, akalweli lutho, akalweli South Africa. Umuntu nje utihlalile laphana njengesithombe, but it seems like unepower ngisho kuthiwa abantu bakhuluma baqine baphelele emoyeni. Abantu nje nabayasho ukuthi cha lo babe lona akasilweli njena uticabangela yena yedwana. He's so selfish. Ngisho abona ukuthi siyanyakatisa indzaba yaqoqwe uthule useqwaka ngathi aka-exist. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.